Hi everyone, this is Michelle with Elegant Wedding Invites, and I am recording this video for you all to explain a little bit more in detail what you need to include in your wedding invitation suite. I like to split this up into two categories to make it easier for everyone. The large enclosure and the small enclosure. So here's an example of both of those. So this one would be considered a large enclosure, and this one is usually reserved for the details. So typically you'll see at the very top it'll say the details. You can put hotel accommodations, map to the venue, parking information. I've also seen transportation and shuttle information, pre or post wedding activities, and also brunch details. So that's the large enclosure, the details card. And then you also have a small enclosure, which is typically used for your reception card. And the reception card you would only need to include if your ceremony is at a different location than your reception. If they're both at the same place, then there's no need for this. If you still need to let your guests know more details about the invitation, or about your event, then you can use the small enclosure for listing your wedding website. You can also put registry details on here or wishing well requests. And then lastly is the envelope. You can do a single envelope that has the return address and your guest address on the front. You can also print your return address on the back flap. That's another option. And another way of doing it, a more formal way, is to have a outer and inner envelope. And this serves more as protection for the inner envelope, and it protects your invitation suite. So the outer envelope would be where you print your return address and you put your guest address on there. And then the inner envelope would just have the guest's name. There's no need to put or print another address on there because it's already going to be on your outer envelope. So this way it protects the envelope inside, because usually when you mail them out, it runs through these rollers and the envelopes kind of shoot through there, and it can leave marks on the outside of the envelope. But if you have an inner and an outer envelope, you'll be protecting what's inside, and only the outer envelope will get dirty. So that's a very popular option as well, to do it that way. So hopefully I explained everything a little bit more for you. Hopefully it helps ease your troubles as you're exploring your invitation options. If you have any other topics in mind that you'd like to learn more about, please let us know and we will discuss it in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.